Day 2 started as usual, packing up camp before sunrise.
Luckily you found it, man.
And just as the sun crept over the horizon, we were ready to head off.
You shouldn't have 3 screaming kids.
That's true.
The Mapanis held secrets that was often best to avoid. As it started to warm up, it was a good time to unlayer. The nice thing about this leg compared to previous ones is that there was a lot of water. That means an opportunity to do some laundry.
No, we don't think we will.
Do you want to set a target?
You're a freaking overachiever washing your hands.
All right, 45-minute breakfast break. We're going to cruise at 5 to 10. So let's all kind of keep an eye on the watches because we do talk and then forget.
On the way to work.
You know the guy who started Hawaii is now he runs Virgin Active.
Because they were in all the gyms, eh?
That's why.
They were all in
That's
the
why
they
gyms,
know
eh?
gyms.
That's how they got in. And then
That's a lucky combination. They were fantastic, amazing.
They must also
it would have been nice if you
send
had
some
said
sort
something
of
earlier.
yeah, a little message.
Could have got a helicopter in front.
They could bring us a drone.
we came across more buffalo in the bushes, so we detoured around.
How far are we? Like halfway?
Yeah, something like that.
Water, where are we going?
I think so, Robert.
We can have water at lunchtime as well when we stop at the.
Okay, good.
Then
There's also water at lunch, eh?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
I'll do it then.
After a refreshing break, we were ready to continue.
What about the way around the corner?
We approached our lunch stop. It was time to cool off again.
Smart.
I bought them, they're freaking expensive then.
Yeah, the hell of it. You know the ones I'm referring to, the high altitude ones, the solid.
Some preventative care is crucial to prevent blisters.
Yeah, I was just, and then I started to check it's getting a bit dense. So I think go to this corner.
All patched up, we're ready to continue. After a long day, we were delighted to see our camping spot. No birding much. We had another flyby on its way to investigate a bushfire. After setting up camp, we were collecting water, and then we went in search of firewood.
We can sit on it and keep it there for ambiance.
We were a little bit too eager for a fire and collected a lot more firewood than necessary.
It actually bounced and hit it. I'm not gonna hit this big.
Ooh, I thought that was good.
It's how they get on as well, the human dynamic.
Yeah,
So if you
yeah.
don't
It was time to light the fire.
big trouble.
I've seen most of those
Better
things
stick
fail.
together, you get breath.
Oh yeah, no.
That's why I just swallowed.
Yo.
Whey protein and a life gain, which is a so we did leg 5.
There's nothing like a good campfire for some crazy campfire stories.
The buffalo must have seen me looking at it, and it just came out of the bush straight at me. So when I chambered, he knocked my rifle out of my hands, like in the movies, in the grass. And at the same time, he hit me on my backpack buckle with his boss. So luckily he had white horns, so he hit me on my buckle, and I landed on his neck.
Yes.
And because of the speed, he took me with. So I was afraid of falling between his legs. So I held onto his horn and with my right hand, and my left hand suddenly touched the tree, and then I grabbed and fell off. And the buffalo went under this tree and he ran on. And so they managed to find my rifle in the grass. And then I think there was sort of a squabble between them who's going to take my rifle and keep it. Because they were ready for this buffalo to come back. They wanted him to come back. and me and Justin were trying to suckle with plasters and things to put on, and the radio and the sat phone, and to let the rangers know and everything. And they were just looking at this buffalo, and they said, suddenly I heard, "Daar's hy!" And they were almost ready to shoot it. There was a buffalo walking 200 meters away from us, just standing there and watching.
Yeah,
different buffalo. Just standing there and watching us, and they almost wanted to shoot it. Yeah,
That's a beautiful campsite.
That's a nice campsite where we got on the rocks there. Like